A recent study has found that eating more marine plants like seaweed helps lower the risk of colorectal cancer by around a third. The study was conducted by a team of researchers at the National Cancer Center in South Korea. Sea kelp and sea mustard, known as miok in Korean, were found to be more effective in reducing the risk of colorectal cancer than seasoned seaweed. Researchers say marine plants that grow near the peninsula are rich in biologically active substances that help increase the amount of antioxidants within the body.